Today I'm going to be talking to you about foundation requirements for our DC range of stationary diesel tanks, like the one you see behind me here. Now, when we're talking about foundation requirements, we can put the DC tanks on either a concrete pad, an earth hard stand, or concrete footings with no bunding required under normal conditions. Obviously, the foundation or the earth underneath the tank has to be capable of holding the tank and any contents or pumping equipment, etc. Fuel Chief can supply an engineer certified PS1 document for the foundation requirements for the DC tanks. This PS1 is for a design life for the tank on site of less than 5 years. If you're looking at a permanent installation, we would recommend a civil engineer's report is conducted before the tank is placed in situ. Fuel Chief recommend that any tank that is holding a hazardous substance is restrained for wind and seismic loadings. Fuel Chief can supply a wind and seismic restraint system or the drawings for your engineer to produce locally. If you have any further questions about the foundation requirements for your tank, please get in touch with us today.